Yum Talay Yum Talay is a popular Thai seafood salad known for its refreshing and vibrant flavors.
The name Yum Talay translates to seafood salad in Thai, with yum referring to the process of mixing and balancing flavors, sweet, sour, salty and spicy, and talay meaning sea. This dish exemplifies the Thai culinary tradition of combining various flavors and textures into a harmonious and delightful eating experience. Key characteristics of Yum Talay. Seafood medley. Yum Talay typically includes a variety of seafood such as shrimp, squid, mussels, scallops, and sometimes crab meat. The seafood is usually lightly blanched or cooked to retain its fresh and tender texture. Vibrant vegetables and herbs. Fresh vegetables like cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions, along with aromatic herbs such as coriander, cilantro, and mint, add crunch and fragrance to the dish. Flavorful dressing. The dressing is a key component, made from a mixture of fish sauce, lime juice, sugar, often palm sugar, and Thai chili paste, nam prik pao. This combination creates a perfect balance of salty, sour, sweet, and spicy flavors. Spice and heat. Thai bird's eye chilies are often used to add a kick of heat to the salad, making it spicy and invigorating. Refreshing and light. Yum Talay is often enjoyed as a light meal or appetizer, especially in warm weather, due to its refreshing qualities. Cultural significance. Yum Talay reflects the Thai emphasis on fresh, high-quality ingredients and the art of balancing flavors. It is commonly found in Thai restaurants worldwide and is a popular choice among locals and tourists alike for its healthiness and delightful taste. Serving suggestions. Yum Talay can be enjoyed on its own as a salad or paired with other Thai dishes. It is often served with sticky rice or jasmine rice to complement the flavors and provide a more filling meal. Health benefits. The dish is nutritious, providing a good source of protein from the seafood, vitamins, and minerals from the vegetables, and antioxidants from the herbs. Its low-calorie content makes it a healthy choice for those looking to enjoy a flavorful yet light dish. Yum Talay is a testament to the rich and diverse culinary heritage of Thailand, offering a delightful experience for those who appreciate fresh and balanced flavors. Yum Talay is a delicious and refreshing Thai seafood salad, perfect for hot weather or as a light, flavorful meal. Here's a recipe to make this dish. Ingredients. Seafood. 200 g squid, cleaned and cut into rings. 200 g shrimp, peeled and deveined. 200 g mussels, cleaned. 200 g scallops. 200 g crab meat, optional. Salad. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. Half a cup cucumber, sliced thinly. Half a cup red onion, thinly sliced. Half a cup celery, sliced thinly. Half a cup coriander, cilantro, leaves. Half a cup mint leaves. 1/4 cup spring onions, chopped. Dressing. 3 tablespoons fish sauce. 3 tablespoons lime juice. 1 tablespoon sugar, preferably palm sugar.
1-2 tablespoon Thai chili paste, nam prik pao.
2 to 3 Thai bird's eye chilies, finely chopped, adjust to taste. Instructions. Cook the seafood. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Blanch the squid, shrimp, mussels, scallops, and crab meat, if using, in the boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes or until cooked. Drain and set aside to cool. Prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, mix the fish sauce, lime juice, sugar, Thai chili paste, and chopped bird's eye chilies until the sugar is dissolved and the ingredients are well combined. Combine ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked seafood with the cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, celery, coriander leaves, mint leaves, and spring onions. Dress the salad. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss gently to combine all the ingredients and coat them with the dressing. Serve. Transfer the Yum Talay to a serving platter and garnish with additional coriander leaves or mint leaves if desired. Serve immediately. Enjoy your Yum Talay as a refreshing appetizer or a light main course.